Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting property, lovely property in the area of Assisi. We are behind Assisi, behind the Monte Subasio. The property is in a very quiet spot in the midst of nature. It has all this olive grove, about 60 trees, olive trees, some cypresses trees here, a beautiful house, a pergola, and you can see the Mount Subasio over there. Okay. The land is about 5,000 square meters, 5,500. There is a little sitting area here with a beautiful little pond, water spring, and a beautiful, nice area to sit in the shade and enjoy the quietness of nature. When I arrived here before, I saw 2 deer jumping around very near the house, really very nice, lovely. You're really in the middle of nature here. See, this is the terrace, beautiful, lovely terrace with which in summertime is covered up so you can have some more shade. Then there is another sitting area over here in the garden, and the olive grove on that side. Okay, so you have really beautiful views everywhere, very quiet, and the house is being used as a meditation center, retreat, silent retreat center. So in fact it is a perfect place for that. It's the last house on the road, and the road leading there is a white road, so there is no traffic here, and you really have the opportunity to enjoy the silence and nature of this beautiful spot near Assisi. The energy of the place behind Assisi is also very good, as many people say. There are many meditation centers here. So here is the first area, first room. It's a shed. And now I'll show you the, let me see here. Okay, so this is the house itself. It's divided into 2 areas. One area is here, the lower part, where we have the part where the owners live themselves. There is a very nice open kitchen here, as you can see, there is a wood stove. There are 3 wood stoves in the house, but the house is also heated on gas heating. See, this is the terrace. So from here you can go outside and enjoy and sit out in the sun. Okay, nice kitchen with an oven, a dishwasher, and that is a door from where you could go outside also. Okay, then here is a very nice bathroom with a shower, and okay, shower here. This is the central entrance hall, and here we have a nice sitting room with another wood stove and a beautiful window here, very low, but you can sit outside here and look into the garden. Isn't that nice? There's a little niche. And over here, this room is used as a bedroom, but also as a music room. And also here you can see a nice window, a low window. So it's a spacious house with a nice area for living for the owners themselves here, and then renting the rooms above. Let me show you. So, okay, here we have the garden. There's a little shed over there. And here we go up the stairs to the first floor. There is a little loggia above the stairs here with beautiful views onto the garden. Okay, and this is the room, central meditation room where people relax and meditate. And then there are 3 rooms on this floor. See, this is one bedroom for the bed and breakfast. Everything is there. Here is another room, small bedroom for 1 person. They have a permit for 3 rooms and 5 persons. Okay, and this is the 3rd bedroom. Okay. And here is the bathroom. Okay, with a shower. Okay, so it's a very special place. It has a very good feel about it. Good for relaxing. If you want, you could use it again as a bed and breakfast for special retreats, meditation, or you could also use the house for your own living, of course, if you want. It's a very special place, and well, if you want more information about this place, conditions, the price and everything, have a look at our website www.lecasedidori.com. Bye bye.